Welcome back to BeeDee Studios. We're so busy this week preparing for our class for next Saturday. We've been doing this for 2 weeks, but off and on we've been doing different projects. So we went ahead and did a different design in case somebody wants to do something a little more ombre effect. And we went and got all these cute little hearts, and then we did circles in case somebody's like a flower child wants to do a peace sign. Totally love that idea. And we went and got a bunch of paint, just basic supplies, Sharpies in case somebody doesn't feel very comfortable using a brush. We want to make it as good as an experience as you can get from the class without getting, you know, frustrated.
No stress.
No stress. Then, of course, more art, paint. So, what we're going to be doing now, which I think is so cute, I love the idea that BeeDee came up with. We're going to give everybody their own little personal paint palette, and we're going to put the little brushes in it like that, and we're going to wrap them in cellophane just so that when people get there they can have their little cute little kit ready. I think people will get a kick out of that and enjoyment. So just sit down and watch us. I also recorded myself doing this cute totem, and we're going to put that in the video as well. Ooh, a close-up, darling. So let's put the camera down and help me package some of these palettes.
Okay.
Wow, look at all this. We got our kits together for the class. Everybody's gonna get a kit. We have all our supplies over here, our paper towels, our jars for water, and we're gonna be doing a raffle. We also have a questionnaire we want everybody to fill out so we can know how to improve our classes in the future. So this is what we've been doing this week. Class prep, class prep, class prep. This is what we're going to be making. Everybody's going to get to choose what they want to make. They want to go in that direction. They want to go in this direction. And I just love that we got colors for everybody. Everybody has different taste. So we got pastels. We got everything people need to make their own little cute wall totem. If you're in the Miami, Florida area and you're still interested, there's still space in the class. We're keeping it not too big, so there's plenty of room if you don't want to be close to anybody. If you want to wear a mask, that's optional. We're not requiring masks. But the room is big enough to accommodate 50, and we're about up to close to 20. So you still have time. So register if you want to take the class, BeeDeeStudios.com. It is on Saturday, this upcoming Saturday. So this video should be posted on Friday. And you can pay at BeeDeeStudios.com and join us on Saturday. It's going to be super fun. So basically, today. We are wrapping things up, getting it ready for Saturday. I have a list because I'm very list obsessed, so we don't forget anything, because then I can't sleep. And then we're working on a new project with lots and lots of sticks. But that'll be for next week's episode. All right, so thank you for joining us this week. It was a short, you know, showing you of what we did with the stick. Just a quick because we've been very busy gathering supplies. It takes a village, or two girls that are obsessed with getting things done. So like we always say, stay focused, stay centered, stay creative. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share with your friends. Have a fantastic weekend, and we hope to see you Saturday. Thank you for watching. Bye. Can't do it again. I think I cut off your head. Let's see.
Look.
Really? Really? Is this how this is gonna go down? You're gonna destroy my cellophane? I'll give you some to play. Here. It's shiny. Oh shit. Stay away from it.
He wants the other one.
There, he's helping you.
If he so much as scratches me, I'm going to not be happy. Leave me alone! Ah, chase it!
Kill it.
He wants what he can't have. Shh, go away. Don't be a bad boy. Alright, what are we doing? We're trying to avoid cat situations. We're going to be... Could you please give me some space?
He's like, no.
I need personal space here. Hello. Look at me. Coming to you live from the studio. Hello.
Do that again.
I can't because he might hurt me.
No, he won't.
Hello. Hello. Checking. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you pulled it right out of my hands. You look like you might hurt me, and that doesn't make me happy. It makes me very unhappy. Get down. Bájate. Bájate. He usually understands. Is the camera rolling? Yeah. Okay, good. I think it is.
This is a great picture.
That is fantastic. We're gonna put it on the. Does he come out in the picture? Yeah. Oh, he thinks it's food. He thinks it's food. You're gonna have to go buy some ham, or bring it. That's why he's like, what's going on? Ooh, look at that tail. Be careful. Be careful.